Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Dodge video. For those who remember the Dodge that we just finished like a couple months ago, we got some more goodies on this truck. Alright, so there is the truck. The truck actually was done a couple months ago. And now we're gonna actually start working on some horsepower. We're gonna be deleting the EGR. We're gonna work on the exhaust, which means we're gonna pull the catalytics out and go with a straight pipe. We're gonna install a tuner and air intake.
Alright guys, so we got the box in, but it only came with these two plates, which covers this side, but we also are missing this side, which is a big square plate. So for now, we're still gonna do it, but all we're gonna do is unplug the throttle body, and we're gonna leave the EGR components for now. And once that comes in, we're gonna remove all the components, the cooler and then the whole components. That way the smoke is not gonna circulate through the engine, but it's gonna be thrown out.
It's a good thing I got help today, two of my brothers, my little brothers, and we're gonna start with cold air intake first. So this bolt over here, it doesn't hold anything because the hole is stripped. We gotta fix that. So we just drilled a hole for this thread to slide inside kind of tight. And then when we squeeze, that thing is there for good. That way we have new threads, so we can put our bolt in. Now we have new threads. The bolt slides in perfectly, and we're good. All right guys, so the air intake, it's all installed. It looks pretty nice. Everything new. Now we're gonna jump on the exhaust. And there's the pipe.
Disconnecting the exhaust right now. The plan is to leave all the O2 sensors on the pipe, and all we're doing is just disconnecting the connectors right here all the way through, and then we're just gonna slide it off and pull it down.
Okay, the straight pipe is in. Now we're gonna disconnect the EGR. That way we can tune this thing, install the tuner and go from there. Okay, so the tuner is installed. Here is where we installed the switch. We just didn't want it to be kind of seen, so we put it underneath. It's got 4 options, 4 switch. It's called tuner on the fly. It's got a first tuner, which is 30 horsepower. It's meant for towing. Second one is I chose 80. Third one it's 100, and then the fourth one it's 180 horsepower. You can choose when you buy the tuner. You can choose your options. It goes up to 200. I choose 180 because it's on a stock transmission, which, you know, if you want to go 200, even 180, it's a little bit too much for not tuning your transmission. But I'll mostly keep it on probably 100, maybe if I tow at 30 horsepower. So I think that's good for me. Let's hear that difference.
Whoa.
Whoa. Man, that's loud. That is loud. Wow, I love it. Perfect. Right guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.